Hi guys, DSM here. I hope you had a great weekend. I just want to make a quick video about the trades we had last week. As you see here, last week Nasdaq, Dow Jones, overall market was coming down, and basically they wiped out the gain from a month and a half or 2 months ago, or maybe from, I would say, July. They wiped out this gain in 2 3 days. So I saw in Twitter a couple of traders. They were saying, "Yeah, we lost a lot last week. It's not. It's not a big deal. It's nobody's fault," or this type of things. So basically, that shows people, even some famous traders or gurus, so-called gurus, they don't have a good discipline to save their account and themselves or their followers from this crash that we witnessed in 1 week. So I just want to show you the trades we had last week and how our members banked on these trades big. And before I explain those, I have to say these trades and alerts comes from the premium chat room that we have. You can go to dailystockmoney.com. Here is sorry. Here is I explain what we have. You can get this offer. This doesn't last forever. It's $79 per month, and very soon we launch screen sharing and long-term trades, and this price jumps to 227. The reason for that is uh, because by screen sharing and alerting long-term trades, even those who cannot trade full-time or they have few hours per week to trade, they can take advantage of this. And by showing you the trades we had in a week that the overall market was red, you understand that price is nothing compared to what you can get from our services. So EARS was our alert on Monday. It was in the watch list. I created a video lesson. I explained this stuff. Monday morning, our members were ready to jump in when it breaks above 50 cents, and it went to 71 cents. It was 55% run in 1 day. The other trade was IGC. We shorted here. ALT. Let me see if I have the ALT open here. So ALT from last week, just yes, it's where is my ALT? Yes, here was ALT. It was in the chat room before the market opens. I told people start making short position. It dropped. It took 45% on ALT. What else we had? TROV. I told in the chat room this in the second day after this run up, they go for correction and it goes to 80 cents. Sorry, 80 cents. And TROV did that exactly what I expected. Came to 80 cents, corrected, and even I said watch it for the end of the week. It goes back up, and end of the week they started to go back up. So we had a couple of other trades. PYX, oh my god, we traded this long and shorts. Long, I said you can play it long from 40 to 45. It went to 46 something, and then I shorted this at 46. I said the price target is 40. It came exactly to 40. We haven't added here to our short position. So I'm saying it doesn't matter the overall market is red or blue or green or yellow, whatever color you want to put on the overall market. If you know the basics of your trading system and you follow the rules, you have a discipline to follow the rules. Because some people they say, yeah, we have rules, we follow them, but rules are basically set for the weeks, like the week we had past week, when the overall market goes crazy. And here nobody believed it doesn't bounce from this support. When it crashed this support, people said, oh no, okay, it will bounce here, or it will bounce here. This is the second support level, and then it crashed that. So I saw in the Twitter people lost fortune. I don't know why they didn't cut losses here, why they didn't have the discipline at the moment that they needed the most to follow their rules and have a discipline to follow their rules. So anyway, this comes from the experience, and that's why people in our chat room they banked a lot, 60%, 50%, 40%. Even in the cheapest trade, I would say, what was PTIE. So for example, I said PTIE is short play at 160, and people banked from 160 to 135 or 140. These trades and opportunities are happening every day. You just need to have a good sets of rules and have a discipline to follow your rules. So before I finish this video, I just want to show you a very short part of a movie called Heat. In this movie, it's one of those couple of movies that Robert De Niro and Al Pacino, they both had a scene, and these two legends, they played in the same scene in front of each other. And the first time I saw that movie, I kind of the dialogue, the the sentences these two legends they said in this movie, it kind of engraved into my mind. And I just wanted to show that with you because I am a fan of movies and I like these things. I want to share with you. And usually, this type of things, when you know the point and you see an example or similar uh, behavior in type of theatrical scenes, it kind of it just stays with you and it just sticks to your mind. And I just wanted to share that with you. So here is it is, and let's see.
Because I spend all my time chasing guys like you around the block. That's my life. Guy told me one time, don't let yourself get attached to anything you are not willing to walk out on in 30 seconds flat if you feel the heat around the corner. Now, if you're on me and you got to move when I move, how do you expect to keep a marriage? That's an interesting point. What are you, a monk? I have a woman. What do you tell her? I tell her I'm a salesman. So that if you spot me coming around that corner, you're just gonna walk out on this woman? Not say goodbye? That's the discipline. That's pretty vacant. It is what it is. It's that or we both better go do something else, pal. I don't know how to do anything else. Neither do I.
So I just wanted to share that with you. Discipline saves you at the moment you need to save yourself big. Other than that, you lose big. And if you watch this movie that called Heat, that was exactly what happened to Robert De Niro at the end of the movie, and he had the discipline to follow his own rules. Um, Eventually, the movie ended in other way, but he had the discipline to follow his rules. That was something when I watched this movie. It's something you watch for fun, but I always try to learn something new from anything that I spend time on that. So this dialogue was something that I learned from this movie, and I'm telling you, uh, this is the meaning of discipline. Discipline is not for when everything is okay and everything is going based on the plan, everybody's happy. Discipline comes handy when the problems start to uh, pour. Uh, and it's like a cascade. It comes one after another and another and another. That's the time you have to have discipline to save yourself and in this case save your bank account. So that was it for today. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, go to our chat room if you want to take advantage of that deal. It's not gonna last forever, and I'm telling you, with this typical market, I have to warn you, uh, those fake gurus cannot save you when the market is acting like this. And hopefully you learned how to trade from the people who have the discipline and who know what they are doing. And bank on these opportunities. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video and share it with your friends. See you everybody in the chat room tomorrow.